Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Friday, September 17th. We have lots of fun for you today, as we do every day. We will start today with Moda's Dance in Paris kit. The fabric and design are from Zen Chic. And, oh, sorry, that was a little hard to see. I'll give it to you on the back too, just so you see the entire quilt. And this kit is in a beautiful little box that includes the ruler that you need. It includes the pattern, and then it includes the fabrics right here from that collection, which we have some of here in the shop. And then we also have a lot of solid white underneath. So a perfect kit to gift, a perfect kit to take for yourself. I know in the past when I have made kits that have come from Moda, I finish with a ton of extra fabric, so I'm sure that you will have plenty of what you need in this kit. Again, it's called Dance in Paris. The kit makes up a 59-inch by 60-inch quilt, so perfect little throw size or a size to give away. Next up, we have a new pattern by Elizabeth Hartman. She's well known for her little animal patterns. This is called Pandas in Sweaters. And of course, you could switch out the sweaters so they wear all kinds of sweaters. That would be really fun with our Christmas fabrics to give them Christmas sweaters. So just a new pattern by her. And of course, you can make as many or as few as you like. And she gives you the yardages for different sizes. So if you want a little challenge with animals, there you go. Next down the way here, we have Susan's Sinister Selections. Susan's right there behind the camera, so she's very excited about her own collection, which she says she's going to buy. So now there are 7 of these available in the store. And for all of you Halloween lovers, of which Susan and I are too, you will want to go ahead and grab this one before it's gone, because it's a really nice curated collection of Halloween prints from this year's Halloween offerings. And last but not least, we have these stripes that are called Vista, and they are by Grant Haffner for Wyndham. Grant Haffner, if you are not aware, is an artist that makes several of these landscape type pictures. You see the road right here and then the telephone pole with the wires. And he's made several of these in different styles, and then he created this collection of fabrics. So these are Vista fabrics, and they all have that same diagonal stripe on them, which of course is a perfect fabric to choose for a very fancy binding. I know, surprise, I always talk about using stripes for bindings, but when they're diagonal stripes, you can do straight set binding, and you've already got your diagonal placed. So another nice option. But I do like the colors in this, like in this orange one I just showed you, there's actually a little bit of lavender in there. So a lot of interest if you're doing landscape quilts or sky quilts or something that would involve diagonals. I've also seen really fun pillows made with diagonals that come together in like half square triangles. Can you see that? I should have brought out my little light, my special light to show you. That's white on white. You can make some real fun patterns with pretty traditional piecing, but when you use the diagonal prints, it just kind of pops it to life. So again, that's called Vista by Grant Haffner for Wyndham Fabrics. Then we have the Fat Quarter selection of the week called Susan's Sinister Selections. We have Pandas in Sweaters, and we have Dance in Paris by Zen Chic for Moda. I hope you have a great weekend. I hope you find a little bit of time to sew and enjoy yourself, and we will see you back here from the shop on Monday. Bye.